Alright, ladies and gentlemen, back here at Done Right Alarms once again. Working on a 2001 Ford Ranger. Customer came in today requiring about adding power door locks to this manual door locking system. That means it does not come with lock and unlock from the manufacturer. We actually added two actuators, door actuators, with a keyless entry remote starter per door. Also, we also added a switch so you can actually lock and unlock it just like the manufacturer. And then once again, we also added a keyless entry remote starter with 1500 feet in range so he can lock and unlock his door and remote start his car. What I'm going to do is give you a quick demo of how it works. So we got lock, flashes the parking lights, honks a horn just like the manufacturer one will. Locks the doors. We got unlock. Unlocks both doors and keeps the parking lights illuminated to let you know your car is open. Go ahead and lock that up for you. Now once again, this is just a keyless entry remote starter. It does have no alarm features whatsoever. It comes with two remotes, parking light confirmation, 15-minute runtime, safety feature which is called brake disable. So if somebody hits the brake while they try to put the car in gear, if they do not turn the key forward, the car will just turn off by them hitting the brake. Comes with 1500 feet in range. And that's it. Remote start time. Parking lights come on, disappear. You notice the blue lights up there flashing. That's also an indicator to let you know your car is about to start. Once the car is running, the parking lights will reappear, like so. And I'll go ahead and give you a quick demo on that brake disable. Push unlock. Somebody tries to manually get inside your vehicle. By them hitting the brake, we'll actually turn the car off, like so. We also, once again, like I said, we did put a manual switch in for lock and unlock. Lock, unlock. Nice little factory style switch. Thank you for watching. Please give me a review, rate my video, give me a comment, whatever you want to do. Thank you. Have a great day.